Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will start solving VCE Maths 2025 Methods Exam Solution. Now the question number 1 is let y equals x square cos x. You have to find the value of dy by dx. So we will start solving this question. First of all, you can see there are the two functions. First is x square and the other is cos x, and you have to differentiate this. So we will apply here the product rule of differentiation. So first of all, we will recall what is the product rule. Product rule tells us if we have two functions, consider this is the u function and this is v function, then you have to differentiate both of them. It will equals dy by dx. First is u function and the second is v function equals derivative of the first function, which will represent by u dash, and second function remain as it is, plus first function remain as it is and the derivative of the second function. So this is the key concept to solve this question. Now first of all, we will identify this. We have u equals x square and we will differentiate this. So u dash will equal x square differentiation is 2x. Here we will apply the derivative rule d by dx, x raised to power n, then power is in the start and x raised to power n minus 1. Similarly, we have v equals cos of x. Now differentiate this. This is v dash and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. This is a trigonometric function, so we will apply just its formula. Now we will substitute value in this. So dy by dx, in place of u we will place x square, in place of v we will substitute cos x. That will equals u dash means 2 of x and v is cos x plus u is as it is, that is x square, and the v dash is minus sin of x. So this will become equals 2x cos x minus x square sin of x. So this will be the answer that we get dy by, because this equals y, so we will write dy by dx will equals 2x cos x minus x square sin x. So this is the final answer. Now this was the question 1a part. Now we will solve question 1b part. Now question number 1b part is let f of x equals 6 root of x plus 1 plus 5. You have to find the gradient of the tangent to y equals f of x at x equals 8. So we will start solving this question as, first of all, you have to find the gradient. Gradient means derivative. You will find the derivative. So solve this as this is given f of x 6 root of x plus 1 plus 5. So we will apply the chain rule with respect to x. According to that, this will become equals f dash of x. 6 is constant, it remains as it is. Derivative of this 1 by 2 is in the start, x plus 1, and its power will be 1 by 2 minus 1. Then derivative of this d by dx of x plus 1. Then derivative of plus 5 will be 0. So f dash of x will become 2 1 time 2, 2 3 times 6. So 3 into x plus 1, and 1 by 2 minus 1 will equals minus 1 by 2. So this will become minus 1 by 2, and derivative of this will be d by dx x plus 1 will be 1 plus 0 is removed. So f dash of x will equals 3 by x plus 1, and here we apply the quotient rule. According to that, its power will be plus, so 1 by 2, and we can write plus 1 by 2 as 3 by root of x plus 1. Now you have to evaluate its value at x equals 8. So you have to find it at x equals 8, means f dash of 8, it will become 3 by root of 8 plus 1. So 3 by root of 8 plus 1 is 9. So 3 by 3, that is 1. It's mean f dash of 8 will equals 1. Now we will start solving this as question number 2. Now we have let g of x be a function defined for x is greater than minus 3 by 2 and g dash of x equals 1 by 2x plus 3. You have to find the value of g equals 1. So how we will start solving this question? We will start this as, first of all, the value of the derivative function is given and you have to find the original function. Then you will put the value of x equals 1. So how we will start solving this? First of all, write this as g dash of x given 1 by 2x plus 3. To find gx, you will integrate the function g dash of x. So g dash of x integration equals, integrate this function also 1 by 2x plus 3 d of x. Then you will apply the substitution method here. According to that, let's consider this will be g of x, and here substitute this as, let u equals 2x plus 3. Then du will equals 2 dx, and then dx will equals 1 by 2 du. It's mean that when we integrate this, it will become integration of 1 by u times 1 by 2 d of u. So 1 by 2 is in the start, 1 by x, 1 by u du. So this will equals 1 by 2. Integration of 1 by u du is ln of u plus c. Now substitute back the value of u here. So you get g of x equals 1 by 2 ln of 2x plus 3 and then plus c. Now since you have already defined function for x should be greater than minus 3 by 2, it's mean when this is greater, we get 2x plus 3 should be positive, greater than 0. So we will use its initial condition that g of 1 equals 0. So at x equals 1, g of 1 which equals 0, this is given in the question, and substitute in the right side also the value 1 by 2 ln of 2 of 1 plus 3 plus c. So you get the value of c here, that will be 0 equals 1 by 2 ln 5 plus c. So c will equals, you get the value of c here, that will be minus 1 by 2 ln 5. Now you will write the final answer here, that what will it become? G of x equals 1 by 2 ln of 2x plus 3, then minus 1 by 2 ln 5. Now we can also solve this further. It will become 1 by 2 ln. When these are subtracted, it's mean they are divided. So 2x plus 3 divided by 5. And when we simplify this more, we can apply the rule here that power is in the start. So ln of, and it is the root, power 1 by 2 is root 2x plus 3 divided by 5. So this will be the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of 2025 VCE Math Methods exam solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. If you found any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.